Hello everyone, today is Sunday and it's cold day in Gurgaon. So आज हम कुछ hot बनाएंगे just like tea. In these days, green tea is tradition. So I will let you know how to make healthy green tea. I have this green tea, organic green tea, and just I will start. Before that, thank you all for watching this channel. Let's start. So I'm starting. I have half cup of water, right? Just pouring into pan, and I'm starting my system. Meanwhile, ग्रीन टी के बहुत फायदे हैं. एक तो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट होता है और इसमें काफ़ी कुछ मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ, इलायची, काली मिर्च, लौंग, एंड जस्ट अ सीक्रेट 2-3 दाना of tea, normal tea, black tea. It will create a good color, good texture. So I'm adding all my ingredient. First, green tea, a spoon of green tea, 2 cloves, kali mirch, then long, and just bunch of black tea, right? और अपने को हीट जो है ना बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रखना है, नॉट जस्ट टू हीट, लाइक इन मीडियम हीट. सो इसके अंदर जो भी जस्ट during boil it won't be like burn all those antioxidant and what we have mixed inside, right? So it's going on process. Meanwhile, हमारे पास है अदरक. अदरक को जस्ट बस थोड़ा सा इसको मैश करते हैं और फिर ऐड करते हैं. सो इस ठंड में healthy like ginger is दादी रेसिपी. किसी भी चीज में जिंजर डालो, it will quite helpful. Now just it's boiling. जो बारिश में बूंदा बूंदी होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसी जब साउंड आनी स्टार्ट हो जाए, then you think probably your green tea is just going to complete. Now see, sound and those vapor are coming. It will smell is very very nice. इसमें इलायची, cloves, all those things making a perfect smell. Chai comes a tradition coming from England, but we also making a good green tea, a healthy green tea. Just 2 minutes, everything will boil again. See, this is a perfect timing for green tea. Just close after this. इसके बाद बंद कर देना है, right? ये बारिश की बूंदा बूंदी स्टार्ट है एंड बस हो गया यहीं तक. परफेक्ट ग्रीन टी, जस्ट 2 minutes, not more than that. It's also healthy, so I'm going to down my gas stove. And so I scope just I'm draining inside my cup, not in glass because might be not good idea can broken. So just last thing, adding half a spoon of honey. It's making good taste and healthy also. It's not recommended if you have sugar problem, then don't make it inside green tea. Just drain and enjoy. One more thing, I have added lemon. Just cut like this, slice and pour it. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.